Sigiriya is more than a monument. It is a journey through history, mystery, and beauty, offering visitors a rare chance to walk among legends and witness one of Asia's greatest archaeological wonders. At the summit, the ruins of the ancient palace reveal the brilliance of Sri Lanka's early civilization, while the massive lion-paw entrance stands as a powerful symbol of strength and artistry. The surrounding landscape, rich in wildlife and greenery, adds to Sigiriya's magical atmosphere, making it a dream destination for photographers and nature lovers alike. Built in the 5th century by King Kashyapa, Sigiriya amazes visitors with its advanced urban planning, perfectly designed water gardens, mirror wall, and world-famous frescoes that still retain their elegance and color. As you climb the rock, panoramic views of lush forests and distant mountains unfold, rewarding every step with awe-inspiring scenery. Rising dramatically from the heart of Sri Lanka's cultural triangle, Sigiriya Rock Fortress is one of the country's most iconic and breathtaking landmarks. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, also known as the Lion Rock, blends natural beauty, ancient engineering, and royal history into an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Sigiriya is not just a climb, it is an emotional journey through time where legend, beauty, and engineering unite. For travelers seeking inspiration, adventure, and cultural depth, Sigiriya is a destination that stays in the heart forever. At the summit, the ruins of King Kashyapa's palace rest above the clouds, offering a sense of triumph and wonder. The massive lion paws, once forming a grand gateway, symbolize strength and royal ambition. Surrounded by jungle, lakes, and distant mountains, the view from the top is nothing short of magical.